Hey, what's up YouTube? It's ICU. Today we're going to be talking about whether or not an iOS 12.4 jailbreak is coming to A12 devices, being the iPhone XS, XS Max, which is what I'm rocking right here, XR, and 2018 iPad Pro models. If you don't know, yesterday a 12.4 jailbreak was released for everything but A12. We actually have a brand new A12 status checker page on Best Tech Info. First link below, also in your cards right now. That page is dynamically updating, meaning once a jailbreak is released, if it's released for 12.4, it will be posted there first. People love our jailbreak status checker pages because they are dynamic. We did the exact same thing for the iOS 12.4 jailbreak for A7 to A11 devices. We have one now for A12, so definitely be sure to bookmark that if you have one of the newer devices. Now, the reason why we're making this video today is not to say that no, there isn't a jailbreak, but rather to update you guys on something pretty interesting. Earlier today, in fact, just 11 minutes ago, Pwn2Own, the developer of Unc0ver for up to 12.4, said, quote, "I am currently working on partial support for A12 through A12X devices on iOS 12.4 without a PAC bypass, and I need testers who can test it right now. No SSH support yet." So don't get your hopes up just yet. This might not be a jailbreak because, of course, as many of you know, we do need that PAC bypass in order to fully achieve a jailbroken state. This might just be something like disabling OTA updates for those of you who are on 12.4 for if and when a jailbreak is released. Pwn seems to be working on it though, which is fantastic news. So big round of applause to Pwn for developing not only the iOS 12.4 jailbreak, but continuing to look into matters for A12 devices. And that appears to be exactly what it is, because just moments after wrapping up this video, one of said testers was actually retweeted by Pwn showing a couple of screenshots. The first showing that it's jailbroken, and then second that it's unable to check for update. So even when you disable OTA updates using Unc0ver, it says jailbroken, even though theoretically it's not. You can't load tweaks. Again, it doesn't have that PAC bypass, but showing inside of settings general software update that it's unable to check for an update. So that basically confirms that that is what the first A12 support will be inside of Unc0ver. We have confirmation now. Again, just be sure to subscribe if you have yet to. We will let you guys know the very second a jailbreak is released. We also wanted to clarify that while that tweet is exciting, it doesn't necessarily mean that we are going to get a 12.4 jailbreak for A12 anytime soon, if at all. But again, if and when we do, we will be first to let you know. So be sure to subscribe, like I said. And until next time, this is ICU signing out.